Hey there, fellow woodworkers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of woodworking tools, and boy, do we have a treat for you. We've scoured the market for the latest and greatest woodworking gadgets and gizmos, and we've compiled a list of 15 new tools that are sure to take your woodworking game to the next level. From clamps to chisels, mallets to measuring tools, we've got something for everyone. So grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's jump right in. Number 1. Introducing the bench dog clamp, the perfect tool for woodworking. It's easy to use, no complicated assembly needed. With just one hand, you can lock or unlock it. Whether you're new to woodworking or a pro, you'll find it simple to use. It holds your workpiece firmly without leaving any marks. The clamp has strong clamping force, so your project stays secure. And don't worry about damaging your wood, it comes with silicone pads to protect the surface. These clamps come in bright colors and fit 3/4-inch holes, making them great for all sorts of woodworking tasks like cutting and grinding. Made of tough materials, the bench dog clamp is built to last. It won't easily break or wear out, giving you years of reliable use. Get your hands on the bench dog clamp and make woodworking easier and more enjoyable. Number 2. Introducing the Estwing DFH 12 Rubber Mallet, a versatile tool designed for professionals and serious DIYers alike. With its triple wedge construction, this mallet ensures a secure connection between the hammerhead and its hickory handle, giving you peace of mind during heavy-duty use. Built to meet the demands of framers, roofers, carpenters, contractors, and tradespeople, the Estwing DFH 12 is the optimal hammer for a wide range of applications. From sheet metal forming to upholstery, automotive work to furniture assembly, tile setting to flooring installs, and even as a camping hammer, this mallet does it all. Crafted with a genuine hickory handle, the Estwing DFH 12 offers a lightweight feel that fits comfortably in your hand, providing both comfort and control during use. Say goodbye to hand fatigue and hello to efficiency with the Estwing DFH 12 Rubber Mallet, the ultimate tool for all your hammering needs. Number 3. Introducing the Wood Lathe Heavy-Duty Round Bar Straight Tool Rest, a must-have accessory for any wood lathe enthusiast. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, this tool rest features a 2/5-inch, 1 cm, hardened steel rod as the tool-bearing surface. This ensures smooth tool transitions without any dings, nicks, or the need for filing. Designed for comfort and versatility, your hand will fit comfortably within the radius of the rest, whether you prefer an overhand or underhand grip. Plus, you can position the rest close to the action for maximum tool support, whether your workpiece is below or above center height. With an 8-inch length and a 1-inch diameter 4-inch length post, this tool rest is compatible with most brands of wood lathes, making it a versatile addition to your workshop. And thanks to its M10X 1.5 top threading, it's interchangeable with many other brands of tool rests, including Nova. Experience effortless turning with the Wood Lathe Heavy-Duty Round Bar Straight Tool Rest, your go-to tool for smooth, precise, and comfortable wood lathe work, even after years of use. Number 4. The Kutol 5-piece Rotary Bur Kit offers rapid material removal with hybrid performance, ensuring surface quality for final finishing. Featuring easy control and smooth cutting action, these burrs effortlessly cut with or against the grain, perfect for intricate details and small areas with their 1/8-inch diameter shafts. They must be used with a 1/8-inch collet or adjustable chuck. Versatile in application, they shape, contour, relieve, notch, flatten, trim, hollow, or adjust a variety of materials including wood, fiberglass, foam, rubber, plastic, drywall, composites, and soft stone. However, they are not suitable for use on metals, ceramics, or hard stones. Built to last with tungsten carbide abrasive and structured tooth technology, these burrs outlast conventional abrasives by 100 times and resist loading. Cleaning is easy with a soft wire brush or burning with a torch, as the heat won't harm the teeth. Experience efficient material removal and precise shaping with the durable Kutol Rotary Bur Kit. Number 5. Introducing the Kutol Japanese Handsaw, a reliable tool designed for precise woodworking tasks. Crafted with a durable and flexible SK5 high-carbon steel blade, this saw ensures longevity and flexibility. The Japanese pole saw teeth are processed with precision, reaching a hardness of HRC 60 to 63 degrees for optimal performance. Featuring hardened 3-edge teeth with a 3-sided grinding gear design, This handsaw offers sharp edges, faster chip removal, and smoother cutting, enabling easy flush and finish cuts. Its curved back design, inspired by the Nepalese kukri, provides enhanced cutting stability, efficiency, and control compared to traditional straight blades. The saw's comfortable handle is made of exquisite beech wood, with a slight curved design for ergonomic grip and labor-saving operation. Say goodbye to hand fatigue and hello to effortless woodworking with the Kutol Japanese handsaw. Number 6. Introducing the Ultrawall wall mount wood organizer and lumber storage metal rack, a versatile solution for organizing long items like lumbers, pipes, or skiing equipment in your indoor or outdoor spaces. These high-impact steel racks are built to be your storage master, creating more space in your house or workspace. With scratch-resistant materials and each shelf capable of holding up to 330 pounds, these racks are designed to handle heavy and large items for your everyday needs. Maximize your space and eliminate clutter with these racks, effectively utilizing every inch of wall space in your garage or workshop. Keep your space well organized and everything within easy reach. Installation is a breeze with all necessary parts and clear step-by-step instructions included. The intuitive design ensures hassle-free setup, getting your organizer ready to use in no time. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a well-organized space with the Ultrawall wall mount wood organizer and lumber storage metal rack. Number 7. The small square and center finder is an indispensable tool for woodworking enthusiasts at any skill level. Whether you're tackling intricate furniture designs or simple DIY projects, this tool ensures precision and reliability in every cut, mark, and measurement, guaranteeing success with every project. With a 0.34-inch center marking hole, this tool is optimized for use with larger pencils, making marking tasks easier and more efficient. This ensures that your center marks are accurate and clearly visible, enhancing the quality of your woodworking projects. Engineered with unwavering accuracy in mind, the DFM small square and center finder is perfect for detailed woodworking tasks. It guarantees precise measurements and perfect alignments, catering to the needs of hobbyists and professional carpenters alike. Experience the confidence of using a tool engineered for perfection. Versatility is key with this tool, as it combines the functionality of a highly accurate small square and a user-friendly center finder in one. Switch between functions effortlessly and simplify a variety of tasks with its innovative design. Make the small square and center finder a valuable addition to your woodworking toolkit and streamline your woodworking projects with its multifunctional capabilities. Number 8. The Milescraft 8409MC Square 150 Imperial is a versatile tool designed for both framing and woodworking projects. With inside and outside scales, it allows you to accurately measure and mark both the interior and exterior of your workpiece. This 6-inch, 150mm square features a 1/4-inch notch spacing, ensuring precise measurements and markings. It also includes 2 quick angle finders for 30 degrees and 45-degree angles, making it easy to achieve perfect angles in your projects. The elongated notches on the square allow for accurate line scribing, ensuring clean and precise cuts every time. Crafted from anodized aluminum with a thickness of 3mm, this square is durable and built to last, providing reliable performance for all your woodworking and framing needs. Number 9. The KAKori wood marking gauge is a Japanese woodworking tool known as the Tsuji Kabiki. It allows you to draw parallel lines with a certain width from the edge of the wood, with adjustable width for precision. This tool is a favorite among Japanese professional carpenters. With its precise marking capabilities, simply determine the desired width, fix the jig with hand-turnable screws, and effortlessly draw accurate and beautiful straight lines. Lightweight and easy to use, it's a must-have for any woodworking project. The blade of the marking gauge can be safely stored within the wooden body when not in use, making it convenient to carry and store. Whether you're a professional carpenter or a hobbyist, the KAKori wood marking gauge is a versatile and essential tool for your woodworking arsenal. Number 10. The Schaff Tools 4-piece wood chisel set is crafted from high-quality chrome vanadium steel, ensuring superior edge retention and ease of sharpening with a hardness rating of 60 HRC. These chisels are designed for both paring and chopping, featuring a beveled edge for easy fitting into joints and a sturdy blade capable of withstanding mallet blows. The set includes beautiful ashwood handles, providing excellent comfort and balance, enhancing the overall feel and appearance compared to plastic alternatives. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned woodworker, these chisels are perfect for tackling a variety of projects. With 4 popular sizes included in the set, Schaff Tools offers versatility to handle various woodworking tasks. Whether you're looking for gifts for woodworkers or adding to your own collection, this set comes in a sleek carrying case, making it a convenient and stylish choice for any woodworking enthusiast. Number 11. The 15 ounces small wooden mallet is an everyday woodworking essential, suitable for a variety of tasks including full-size wood carving gouges and chisels. Its versatility makes it handy for jointing and perfect for tasks like chisel-cut dovetails and mortise and tenons. Designed for comfort and efficiency, this mallet features a comfortable handle and excellent ergonomics, reducing hand fatigue and allowing you to work longer and more effectively. Its balanced design provides better balance and control compared to conventional mallets. Furthermore, the shock-absorbent urethane striking head not only protects your tools from damage, ensuring they last longer, but also significantly reduces noise during use. Unlike rubber or wooden mallets, the urethane material absorbs punishment without compromising on performance. Precision and accuracy are key with this mallet. Its design allows for easier control, resulting in clean mortises and accurate chisel and gouge strikes. With excellent balance and an increased striking surface area, you can achieve precise blows consistently, ensuring high-quality results every time. Number 12. The M8 Hanger Bolt Driver and Threaded Insert Driver Tool is a versatile tool designed for woodworking tasks. It features AA 1/4-inch drive hanger bolt driver, M8 1.25mm, and AA 1/4-inch drive threaded insert driver, M8 1.25mm, allowing for efficient installation of hanger bolts and threaded inserts. With this tool, drills or impact drivers can be used to drive hanger bolts and threaded inserts, making your work more organized, faster, and efficient. This saves time and effort while ensuring precision and accuracy in your woodworking projects. Crafted from chrome vanadium steel, both the hanger bolt driver and threaded insert driver are durable and strong, capable of withstanding the demands of woodworking tasks. With this reliable tool in your arsenal, you can tackle woodworking projects with ease and confidence, knowing that you have the right equipment for the job. Number 13. Introducing the MultiAngle Measuring Ruler, a versatile tool designed for precision carpentry and woodworking tasks. Crafted with preset angles of 22.5 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 67.5 degrees, this ruler simplifies complex tasks for carpenters, engineers, and DIY enthusiasts. Constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, this ruler is durable and can withstand daily wear and tear in any workshop. The anodized black surface ensures smooth handling and resistance to corrosion. With CNC precision and laser-etched markings, this woodworking square provides clear and accurate measurements in your projects. Its dual-function design combines the convenience of a speed square and carpenter square, featuring imperial measurements for efficient marking and measuring on a variety of materials. Portable and user-friendly, this measuring tool is designed for easy disassembly and transport. Lightweight yet robust, it's an essential addition to any toolkit, perfect for on-site or at-home projects. Say goodbye to complex measurements and hello to precision with the MultiAngle Measuring Ruler. Number 14. Introducing the Beavercraft Forged ADS Woodworking Bowl Adze with Wooden Handle, a premium tool designed for intricate carving tasks like bowls, spoons, and ladles. Its distinct curved blade provides exceptional control and precision, making it the ultimate adze tool for woodworking enthusiasts. Crafted from robust 1066 high-carbon steel, the forged adze head ensures superior durability and maintains sharpness even through extended use, ensuring effortless carving strokes every time. The securely fixed head provides unwavering stability, allowing for precise control and confidence in tackling woodworking tasks. Versatile and adaptable, this bowl adze woodworking tool is suitable for various tasks, from curved bowl adze tasks to precision carving. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a hobbyist, the AX2 is your trusted companion for diverse projects. The ergonomic excellence of the handle, made from ashwood and treated with linseed oil and wax, ensures a secure grip and prevents slippage during demanding woodworking tasks. Additionally, the adze comes with a genuine leather sheath and belt loop for convenient and protective storage, ensuring the blade remains safe during transportation. Number 15. Introducing the Jorgenson 6.3-inch Miniwood planer, ideal for woodworking tasks such as trimming, planing, and crafting. Its blade, Made of professional-level O1 tool steel, ensures efficient cutting with minimal wear, offering long-lasting performance. Crafted from ductile iron, the body withstands heavy-duty use, while zinc alloy lever cap and stainless steel parts ensure durability. The adjustable design allows for easy depth and mouth width adjustment, accommodating various wood planing needs. Portable and versatile, it's perfect for DIY projects and crafts. With a professionally polished flat bottom for smooth operation, it's suitable for both professionals and beginners. Caution is advised due to the sharp blade. Upgrade your woodworking arsenal with the Jorgenson Miniwood planer.